What's good, y'all, and welcome back to Dollars Menu. It's your girl Rain Dollars back with another video. And yeah, I know it has been not really a while, but you see, after I did my last video, the Miel competition, y'all have to go check it out if you didn't. But really, it's just a flexi rod set, but it came out bomb. I would definitely buy that product. But anyway, after that, I got my braids done. I love them. I got some jumbo knotless braids. So it's gonna be a little slow for hair videos for a while, but we still here making content. My last video did really well in the haul video or try on video. So this is gonna be another try on video, but just something that's more near and dear to my heart. It comes in a cute little package with the logo on the front. I like it. There's definitely something else in here. It's probably a cute note. I hate packages, y'all. Or I just hate opening them. Like, so it came with, I actually ordered the, which one do y'all think I ordered? Comment down below which one you think I ordered. I ordered the Tie Me Up bathing suit, the pink. Because I knew everybody was gonna go for that Wildcat. The carts was not checking out. I was like, oh no, no, no. I'm not missing out. So I got that one right there on the cover, the pink one. Proud of her because I know she reminds me of me, or it can't even be like that. Anybody who wants to start a business, people sometimes, it's people who want to perfect it before they even try. And it's people who will just jump out. You know, not to say that one's worse than the other, but I know she really cares about her stuff, so she won't put out anything until she's ready and she feels like it's ready. Yeah, this is cute. Just a little postcard, a little discount code with the Instagram and the customer service line and the website. Very, very cute. I would have loved to see her up there, but so I love this, you know, instead of bags or whatever y'all prefer, but it's cute with the logo. Twisted Saints, packaged up like a little gift. And y'all can call me a groupie if you want, but I'm hyped to even think that Aaliyah touched this. Super cute. Dark skin girls, stop being afraid to wear color. I'm over it, okay? Twisted Saints, bomb. These are like the, you know, more high-end, I would say. Tags is all I'm saying. So these are the bottoms. A little small for your girl. But I don't have a lot of body, as y'all know, so I never mind like a little cheekage because I feel like it's all cheek, really. But, and it comes with the, what is these? The rings. I think I'm gonna accessorize with some long dangly earrings to really give y'all like a full effect. And this is the top. I'm excited about this because she was saying you could wear it in different ways. So I guess it's a band. It would wrap around the back, if y'all get what I'm saying. It's this way. And you tie it up however you want. Like twist it around the neck, twist it around the neck, twist it around the body. So we finna play with this. And I'll hop back on camera. Let's talk about it. I'm back in it. I tried to tie it up kind of like she did on her website. The only thing I can say is Raina should have probably known to get a large, just because, you know what I'm saying? We talked about this before. The front sometimes is very rude. I love her style. Anyway, you know, sometimes I feel like I don't know that I'm grown. I think that's what it is. Comment below if you feel me. Size, color, bomb, fire. I would just have to pull these titers, like kind of tuck it below. But I like how you can like switch it up, you know, and kind of do it how you want. You could take this, you could tie it up. You could tie it straight across with the long string hang. You can not wrap it. You could wrap it around your waist 3 times down, like whatever. You could go down with the wrapping, up, around the, it's a little cheeky, but it's not that bad with the little waist out, waist out, waist out, waist out. So this is cute. I'm going to throw on some, what are these? Jeans, some vintage looking jeans. In her picture where she was celebrating, she actually had this on with some jeans, and I think that's what I think is cute about it. Like if I'm going to the beach, I can throw this on. This is a fit. Do you feel me? Like ain't no cover up, or you know, like before but a cover up after. Now you're giving looks. This is fire, even with some pants on. A lot for me, like I said. Sometimes I don't dress that like risque. I don't know if that's true. What do y'all think? Do I dress risque? Like people who really know me, I guess. And yeah, but I think this is dumb cute with some jeans, like some sandals. You feel me? With the back heel, so you can keep it cool. You could throw these on, keep it high fashion, going with the theme of the thing. Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? So keep it high fashion, some big block shades. Fire. I'm gonna do it without the jeans. Hold on. And you know you need the longest lashes, so y'all know where to get them. Salai Minks with the little detail. Gold, 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 gold. Or I always have a cute option. These are not very expensive, black owned as well. One made vendorless on Instagram. I'm gonna tag it below. Y'all let her know that I sent you. These are the K Dior shades. Come on. These are like hater blockers for real. So it still give you that luxury look, but I think they cost me like $11 or something. I'm gonna go with my Nike, my Be True sandals, and just throw them on the little pink in the detail. Barely. And I used to come out here all the time when I was in college. Like I have a lot of starter memories out here at Buckrow Beach. We're gonna take some flicks, maybe like this. I'm not sure because I'm by myself today. So, but we're outside. Y'all should be proud of me. Y'all see it? And like we say as always, sorry about the wind, but thank you for watching Dollars Menu. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I love you guys. I hope y'all staying safe.